Hey there, this is Niels from Iagon, and I'm going to give you a quick demo today of some of the evidence of milestone completion of Statur, our reputation system. And I'm going to demo two of these items, the video demo obviously itself, and I'm going to show you the Figma prototype file. The documentation about the requirements and objectives will be on the website, and the URL for the publicly viewable POC app, which will kind of show the same thing that you will see in the demo, will also be shared with the milestone, with a proof of acceptance submission. So let's start in Figma. So the Figma is our UI mockup. It has individual components that are going to be used in Statur, as well as variations of different aspects of the application. To compare kind of like what we're going to see in the video demo, I'm going to start here and just show this part. Again, this will be shared with the reviewers, so we don't need to go through all the details. But we'll open this mockup here, which will land us on the node operators main page. So this is the list of Statur node operators that have public profiles and their respective karma scores, reputation, uptime, performance, etc. So most of this is already implemented. We don't have like customized avatars or any of that in the current video demo, as you will see. So there will be minor differences also in animations. But besides that, you will find actually most of the mockups will be already implemented. In the mockups, you can also see the delegators. So that is our end users that do not provide a node themselves, but they are delegating to the existing nodes to kind of contribute to the network and provide a staked IAG. That will not be in the demo, but it is pretty much the same user interface here. There are differences when you go to the profile details, but that will come in an upcoming milestone. If you go to the node operators and you actually click on an operator, so these two are clickable here, then you'll get additional information about the node operator, their names, storage utilization, all kinds of things that we also show in other areas of our ecosystem, as well as the various scores that exist and addresses that are involved, as well as their individual nodes, DeFi participation in the beginning, only in the Iagon ecosystem, but down the line, potentially also others. With that, like I said, I'm not going to show too much of the Figma beyond what is there, but it is available to look at. And I'm going to go over to our local version of the Statur frontend and backend. This is actually currently connected to the Iagon production delegation nodes. So you will actually, if you were to log into our main website, you would be seeing the same nodes here under the delegated node list that you find here. These are just the top 20. So this will not have all because we're still working on pagination and all that kind of things, but generally those node names exist. Because the formula hasn't been finalized yet, you will not find the exact karma and reputation and uptime and performance data matching our production environment, but that's going to be happening across the next few milestones. So you can hover over the various ones here in the overview. You can actually click on the details page and see this is all mock data. This is not coming from our production data. This is just the same for all operators. And you can see the various charts that are available, as well as their individual nodes, and mock data for their DeFi participation. So this is all the dynamic app. I can click on Delegator, so we'll go to the same landing page, which is implemented. So if you click on Get Started here about Karma, they all go to this. Another main aspect that we have implemented in the first milestone is kind of the a mock walkthrough for new profile creation. So new users to Statur, they will have to create an account if they want to be represented within Statur and have their reputation, etc., displayable in an NFT that they can share. So that would normally connect your wallet. We don't have wallet connectivity hooked up yet. So instead, when you click connect wallet, it'll just go to a mock flow through the profile creation. So first step, it'll show you kind of what we know about you already. So there might be information because your wallet is being tracked. So we collect reputation information regardless of if you have an account or not. So you can already see some of your information that we know about you if you are participating as a delegator or node operator in our ecosystem. Then you can calculate your score if you haven't already. You can go on to the next step, select an avatar. In this example here, the avatars are kind of depending on how much karma you have. So you can have certain choices depending on if you have a certain reputation. And once you select one, you can then go to the last step where you kind of connect which addresses do you want to have tracked for reputation or shown on your public profile, as well as, again, you can see your DeFi participation information, summary of your score again, and then you can save your profile. And now you have kind of your public profile view available. This is all, again, mock data as well, just showcasing the walkthrough flow. And with that, we've covered the 2 main points of Milestone 1, and I thank you for your time. Bye.